Okay, formatting, word processors, and the online writing lab. This will help you guys, I think. So if you follow the link that I've posted just below the link to this video in the announcements page, you will add this Canvas shell to your dashboard. This is for the online writing lab, and there's a lot of tools here for you. If you click on modules, and then you go down to MLA formatting, you can click this. It says MLA paper template, Google Docs. Now, of course, you're welcome to use another word processor. If you like Microsoft Word or Microsoft Word Online, you can. They are not as robust, Microsoft Word is more robust. They're not as efficient or as effective or as up-to-date, I don't think, as Google Docs. This is what I recommend you use. If you have a Google account, you click here, and then you can make a copy, and it will bring you directly to this. Now, this is for MLA formatting, and if you look here at this that you have, filling this out is the best way to make sure that you are getting your formatting correct. And then you can either make another copy later on if you want from that same link, or you can save this as a template. But a couple of things to note here, and this is basically, just what's in this side section right here. Put your own title in. You can do this for assignments as well. This is your name. This would be my name. Sorry, my computer fan is having trouble. I need to replace it. And then the due date. Now note the format here, day, month, year. That's an important one. Make sure you're double clicking up here to put your last name in here. And we're removing all the brackets, right? And then the last thing that I wanted to show you here is if you have a works cited that you're trying to do, you can go to Tools. And from Tools, you can click on Citations. Select either MLA, APA, or Chicago. And if you're doing Turabian, by the way, for a Bible class, then Chicago is what you would select there. And then you can add your source. Pick your type. And then fill this information out and add it. And once it's added, it will be here. And when you are ready to cite it, you can just put your mouse or your cursor at the right spot and click Cite, and it will put it in, and it'll tell you to replace that number with the page number. Whatever the case may be. And then it will automatically put it in here when you go to Insert Works Cited. Okay, that's all I've got for you for this video. There's been a few formatting issues. I wanted to clear this up so people don't start losing points on major assignments, and hopefully this makes your life a little bit easier. Thanks.